Hello, this is a video about rebuilding Pelican hooks. I searched all over the internet and YouTube and I could not find a video on how to rebuild a Pelican hook. So I got all sorts of tools and got ready to do battle. And anyway, so here's a complete video on how to rebuild a Pelican hook using a Pelican hook rebuild kit. So as you can see, the spring is missing. So here's what you do. Take off the ring. Let that side fall out. Take your new spring, if that's what was missing. Put the spring on. Put it in the hole. And put the ring back on. And that is a complete rebuild of a Pelican hook.